Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that can give you the best Wi-Fi coverage? Then this video is made for you. In this video, we will go through the Linksys Atlas WiFi 6 router setup in a very simple and easy way. The Linksys Atlas WiFi 6 router is a high-speed mesh system that provides fast and reliable internet coverage for your home. We can set up this router using the Linksys app. So let's start the process. Firstly, plug in the main router, one of the nodes, near your modem. Connect it to the modem using the included Ethernet cable. Plug the router into a power outlet and wait for the LED to blink purple. Now install the Linksys app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Now open the app and log into your Linksys account. Tap Set up a new Wi-Fi network and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will automatically detect your router. Confirm your modem is connected and press Next. Create your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. This will be your new home Wi-Fi network. The router will restart and apply the settings. Wait for the LED to turn solid blue. This means the router is ready. For a mesh network, you can add additional Atlas nodes. Place each node in different areas of your home. Plug them into power and wait for the LED to blink purple. In the Linksys app, tap Add a node and follow the instructions. Once connected, the LED will turn solid blue, good connection, or yellow, move closer to improve signal. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.